All right, so I bought more stuff, and I'm starting to realize since I've gotten the car, I'm just buying stuff for it. I think it's kind of bad, but anyway. Ganlery, professional seller for auto parts and accessories. I really just wanted like this center console thing, but then it had something for the rear center console organizer, and then it had an armrest hidden organizer, and then it had stuff in it, so I was like, yo, let's do it. So I just gotta open this one-handed, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is surprisingly strong tape. Didn't want to come off, and I didn't want to like go get scissors or something, so I ripped it. Anyway, this is what's in the box. I wonder if I can set this camera up somewhere. Okay, that should work. I just have it like tied to the wind eye thing. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, this is what comes in the box. This thing, whatever this is, just gonna set them aside here. This one, now this is literally all I wanted, because this center console here, like, it's cool and all, but it's really deep and really messy. It just got a bunch of stuff in there, so I was thinking this can just pop in there. Perfect, everything's hidden. And then that's all my stuff. My stuff is in there. And then, hold on. And then it's not in there. Perfect. I like that. That's nice. This, which I'm not entirely sure what it's for, but I'm sure I can figure it out. And a cup holder thing. It's like a center console for, like, I don't know, dipping sauces, maybe? Probably, I don't know. That's cool, I like it, I guess. So, yeah, that's not gonna fit in there, so let's take that off to the side, and this just goes in its place. Maybe? Like this? Ah, there we go. Okay, that's better. And that sits nice and neat. I like it. I like it. I like it. What is this? Is this literally just for, like, I know I was joking around saying dipping sauces, but what else would you want to put in here? Huh. All right, now if you look on this side over here, it's like, I got a lot of stuff in here that shouldn't be. Just a bunch of trash. Scissors, apparently. I don't know why I have scissors in there. I think, oh yeah. Okay, so this would actually, I don't really need it. By the way, if you have, like, if you want to use Sentry Mode, this is the one you want. I tried a bunch of different SD cards and none of them actually seemed to work. Sentry Mode would just not record anything, and this is the one. I can leave a link in the description, but like the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, the one that looks like this, that looks like it has like a little, like a keychain thing right there, that's the one you want. 1 terabyte, super awesome, love it. Anyway, I think this goes in here. Maybe? Does it just... Whoa! Okay. I like that. It just sits in there. Oh, wait, so I can... wait, hold on, okay. All of this nonsense that I don't need, I can hide in there, right? And then this goes over the top. Hold on. It just goes over the top, hold on. Just goes over the top, and it hides everything. Nice. I like that. cool. Okay, and I figured out where the last piece goes. So this piece right here, it's got like stuff. That is, I think that's supposed to go right here. Yeah, that would go right there. And this is, I'm pretty sure this is just adhesive that can take off and then press in there so that it can stay. And then it's like a little hidden compartment of sorts. So let's give it a try. Does it go? Wait. No, it definitely goes like this. Definitely like that. Okay. Let's take that off, and you can see there's like a sticky residue there. Don't touch it. Take both sides off. Hopefully, I didn't read the instructions, but it reads instructions anyway. And then just kind of push it in. Hope for the best. Man, that looks factory. I like that. And then there's a little compartment. A nice little compartment in there. I like that. And now we have compartment for, I guess, hidden compartment for stuff. This compartment right here, which is really cool. And I like that there's a little cutout for the cigarette socket, so you can use that too. Underneath this, more storage for stuff. Gotta get used to putting that in there. In here now, I have a little sauce compartment for when I want dipping sauces, when I'm on road trips, apparently. In here, one compartment, two compartments. I have so much stuff. I have so much room for things. It's awesome. I love it. Buy this stuff. Buy this one. If you want Sentry Mode to work, buy this. The USB that comes with the car, like, it's cool and all, but like, get this. Anyway, peace.